On this tutorial, you will learn how to print and assemble our Chiquito Tote print-at-home PDF pattern. First of all, set your printer on portrait mode. Now set your printing scale to 100%. Do not scale to fit because that could modify the size of the pattern pieces. Once you have set your printer, print page 1 first and check that the scaling box measures 5 by 5 centimeters or 3 by 3 inches. Adjust printing scale if needed. Once the pattern is printed, start cutting the right sides of the sheets, using the frames as guide. Start assembling the pieces. Gluing piece 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on. Assemble the pieces following this diagram. And now you can cut the Chiquito Tote pattern pieces.